An engine air filter plays a vital role in the performance of your vehicle, filtering out dirt and debris. To start, locate the air filter box, which can usually be found near the engine. Open the box by unclipping it and remove the old filter, checking for any cracks or tears. Next, choose a new filter that matches your vehicle's specifications and replace it securely in the box. Finally, after closing the box, start your engine to ensure it's running smoothly, as a clean air filter can improve fuel efficiency by up to 10%.